Hello everyone, welcome to the latest video on my YouTube channel, Digger Evans. I'll give you a bit of news at first. I got a new laptop in July for my birthday. My wife generously bought me a laptop, and it failed. It conked out and dropped dead on me not long ago. So it's gone back to the manufacturers, or back to the wherever they go, and I'm waiting for a refund so I can get a new laptop, which should be here by the end of this week, hopefully. So until then, I'm doing everything on the mobile phone, which isn't ideal, but needs must. You remember I showed you those 3D printed kits? I built up some stacker trucks. I built them up and coloured them in and what have you. They don't look too bad. They're alright. They can go inside of a factory or something. They did come with little exhaust stacks, but I didn't put those on, thinking maybe they're little, because they're only small trucks these, so they're probably going to be electric and running inside a factory. They want electric ones. And I've built up a lot of parcels. I'll show you these. These are cardboard boxes from one of those kits that I'm sure I've shown you this before. I don't know how well we can focus that. I've just glued them onto a pallet and cut out some paper for little labels on them, and they look quite effective. I've done that one with some different coloured labels and things, and they look okay. And they'll fit on these forks, and go inside a warehouse building or something similar. And I'll arrange them as part of the layout inside a building using all those off that kit. Yeah, they look pretty good built up. I'm very happy with that. They're a good. That was from railwaybuildingkits.com. The next thing I'm going to show you is low relief building again. We've all got lots of borders that we need filling in at the back of the layout. I bought a box of these cutouts. They're made of MDF, and they're laser cut, as you can see, with all the laser burns along there. There's a door and a window cut out, but they push out. You've got to push them out if you want them there or not. And you just paint them up and put everything what you want on there to make them look realistic. So this is the one I've done this time. This is for, you can see that leg's loose. That's going to have to come off and be re-glued. I use red oxide primer to simulate brickwork. I put a fire escape there and some little steps up and steel railings and a grid. Loading bay, and using those door kits. Those are from Scale Model Scenery, they all are. And using a fire exit door there as well. I've put a fan on there, and I've used one of those 3D printed drain pipes with the hopper on and things like that. It looks alright. Obviously I'm going to get that leg sorted. I've weathered it up using powders along the bottom, as you can see, and I have put some powder along the top effects there. I'm going to stick probably something like this, couple of pallets on the loading bay to make it look a little bit busier, and that's going to go at the back of the layout. What I'm going to use is double-sided sticky tape along the back, and I can push that to the background, and it'll stay there. But obviously I've got to put like a sky or something on there before I do that as well. I've just been joined by the dogs. Two naughty puppies have just turned up. Right, that's about it really. That's as far as I'm up to. I'm painfully waiting for this new laptop to arrive, because it's driving me crazy trying to do everything by phone. I can't put links or anything at the moment. It's alright, carry on. But thank you all for looking in. Thank you everyone who has subscribed. I really do appreciate it. I've kept watching other channels that I'm sub to, because YouTube is still on their unsubscribe system of whatever they're doing. They're unsubscribing, and I found one that I went to and I'd been unsubscribed, and I didn't do it, so it must have been YouTube that did it. So it's still something we all need to look out for. Thank you all very, very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I appreciate subscriptions, likes. Give us a thumbs up if you like, and I appreciate you all watching. Thank you very, very much indeed. Bye bye for now.